यह घटना टालीगांव टोंका की है, जहां पे कल किसी ने खेतों में आग लगा दी। इसकी वजह से लोगों को काफ़ी परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ा। इस तरह की घटनाओं से लोगों का जीना मुश्किल हो जाता है। खेतों के पास बने कॉम्प्लेक्स की वजह से बुजुर्ग, बच्चे और नवजात लगातार प्रभावित हो रहे हैं। बिल्डिंग से फायर फोर्स की टीम कई लोगों को बाहर निकाला गया, जिसमें बच्चे भी शामिल थे। इस खेतों में हर साल कोई ना कोई आग लगा देता है और फिर इस तरह का दुर्घटना देखने को मिलता है। इससे लोगों को कई परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ता है। इस तरह का घटना ना हो, प्रशासन को कोई ना कोई रास्ता निकालना होगा। इस घास को अगर मशीन से काटा जाए तो शायद इस तरह का घटना नहीं होगा।
Complex behind me is totally affected. There are senior citizens, children, infants, everyone is affected. And I feel so sorry for the poor firefighters who day in and day out have to come to Talegaon to have this mess cleared out. Whoever has lit the fire on purpose, or whether it has happened automatically due to a glass bottle being in the field and due to the rays it catching fire, there are different reasons how it is. But in the month of May, if due to the heat, if this is how it spreads, it's crazy what is happening here in Talegaon. Really crazy. And this is not just once that's happening. It happens 15-20 times here. We have to be well equipped to have like 4-5 fire brigades on either side. Right now we have just one big one and a smaller one that's trying to put out. If you can see the complex behind me here, and there's a house right over here which has filled with smoke. I hope the fire doesn't enter into their home and doesn't get them affected. The fire brigade has gone all the way around. But this is the sad situation that we have to face. We've requested the panchayat n number of times, do not leave big grasses over here. Let's invest in a big tractor which cuts down all this hay so that the spreading of this fire doesn't happen. And this hay can be used for all the stray cattle that is needed for anyone who's got the farmers who have their cows and their shelters over here in Talegaon or Santa Cruz. Anyone who needs, they can use this. But seeing everyone affected over here, some farmers have grown their vegetables over there. That has also got burnt due to the fire that's spreading around. And it all depends on the breeze. If the wind is going forward, backside. So this is something that we've requested the panchayat to have this investment done. We are there to come and support and see what technology is required to ease this out and to keep everyone in safe in our Talegaon village.